Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy on eBay without getting scammed. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few different ways, or a few different things we need to watch out for. So now let's go ahead and find our products. I'm just going to type in shoes like so. Now I'm just going to scroll down and look at some shoes here. So for example, I want to go ahead and say click on these shoes here. And now once we're on the product listing, we need to go ahead and check out the user's feedback rating. So here's the user here on these shoes. We want to go ahead and click onto the user. Now we can see this user here has got a 97.6% positive feedback, which is quite good for over 10,000 items sold. And also they got 350 plus followers. That's a good indication this is a solid seller, just because of the amount of sheer sales they've got and that really positive feedback. So what we can do is go ahead and click onto that positive feedback, and then we can see feedback ratings. So the last 12 months they've got 1,400 positive reviews, 78 neutral and 37 negative. So we can go ahead and look at the negative reviews and see what's going on there. And you can see you can filter this too. So negative past 12 months, we can do past month if you like to see if they've improved, if it is a say a high risk seller. So we can have a look at the different reviews here and most relevant, most recent as well. So yeah, it's just all about just making sure they've got a very high feedback rate. And also another thing, make sure they're see if buyers mention anything like fake items or poor communication or never receiving goods. That's a good indication that it is a scam. And now while we're talking about users, try and avoid new accounts with little or no feedback. Scammers often use them, so use them with caution. Okay, so I'm going to go back to this product. And now you want to go ahead and use eBay's official checkout system. So always pay through eBay. Never buy direct bank transfer, crypto, or third-party links. Use PayPal, credit cards, or eBay managed payments. These give you better buyer protection. If a seller asks you to pay outside of eBay, that is a high red flag. Now, another thing what we need to do is check out the listing carefully. So go ahead and look at the listing. So I'm going to scroll down here. So just read the listings about this item, description, and what it includes. Watch too good to be true prices. So big discounts on high-end items like phones or designer goods are common scam traps. And look for authenticity guarantee badge on expensive items like sneakers, watches, or electronics. Another thing what we can do is use eBay buyer protection. So if something goes wrong, fake, not delivered, or not as described, eBay will usually refund you if the seller can't provide delivery or send something misleading. So that's another good way to stop from being scammed. And now some of the most common scams that they try and do is a fake tracking number. So scammers send a random tracking number that says delivered. Always check it matches your name and address. And off-platform communication. So don't move to WhatsApp, email, or text. And listings with stock photos only. Ask for real photos if the item is pricey. And now another extra layer of security is to save screenshots of listings and messages just in case. Always check shipping locations. Some scammers claim Australia, for example, but actually ship from overseas. Prefer eBay money back guarantee items. It shows on the listing. So we can scroll down here and it will say eBay money back guarantee. Get the item you ordered on your money back. So you can shop with confidence with a lot of these items. Make sure it says that as well.